What is ArtistMesh? Put simply, it's a generation mode that churns out clean, low-poly 3D meshes in seconds, built from the ground up for game engines, VR, and all real-time workflows. Instead of that messy geometry you get from standard AI generators, ArtistMesh outputs clean edge flow with controllable vertex counts. Let's see how it works. Head over to the tab on the left side. Upload your image and generate in seconds. There will be 4 different versions. Pick the one with the cleanest wireframe and the tightest silhouette for your project, and then you can jump into texturing or just export the mesh directly. If HD Mesh is all about high detail, cinematic quality models, then ArtistMesh delivers faster assets purpose-built for game development. Whether you are a game developer, an indie team without a dedicated 3D artist, or an XR/R creator, you will find it incredibly handy. Try it out for free on our platform and let me know down in the comments what you'd use it for first, and if there are any other features you want me to cover. Like and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next one.